What's up guys, for today's video I just wanted to bring you a very quick update about Autobot trading signal. So remember the first time we launched the robot on Monday, we got a problem with optimal strategy signal by admin. So this function is not working properly. So the reason that it is not working properly because it is overloaded on our site when we are trying to execute the trade to more than 200 users at the same time. So it's overload on our side and it's also overload on IQ option sites. They kind of detect something that's going on with 200 accounts at the same time. So to solve this problem, our programmer bring up the solution with the system support. So you need to download the system support to help to execute the trade based on user computer, not on our site. Before you click on that download buttons, make sure that your window protection is turned off, because otherwise it will try to treat it as a virus, and it will try to block that help system not to running or not to open the file. So let's go to your system first so that you can let's go to antivirus. Then you go into firewall protections, or I think maybe account protection right here. Virus protection. Okay, you go to virus and threat protection right here. Then you go to manage the setting. So this is a real-time protection, and you just turn that off. Click on OK. Cloud delivery protections, automatic sample submission. I think just turn that off. I think should be fine. So now let's go into that download file right here. So once you download, you open the folders, because otherwise if you don't turn off your threat protection, it will just treat that as a virus, so you will not be able to open this one. So now once you open, you just right click to extract the file right here, extract here, and after your extraction you will see this Autobot windows, Autobot for window. Now this only work for Windows users. For the Mac, it will be available to download in a couple days. Okay, it's just be patient because it's coming on the way. Once you download this one and extract it here, so just double click to open. So once you open that file, you will see that Autobot signal trader has been started. At the moment it is started, then you just back to your account right here. Now you don't see any balance right here, right? You just click on update the change. So at this time your balance should be showing right here, right? So when you see that the balance is showing and the bot is start like this, just keep that open. Do not turn that off. So once you turn it off, it will be not working again. Okay, so now let's go to our robot. So here, this is the amount that we are going to place the trade per trade, $10. Up to you. You can put 5. So let's do it $5, and the time expiration is 5 minutes as well. So I highly recommend that you use 5 minutes if you are using optimal strategy by admin. Then the martingale is 2.5, and I use that 6 steps or 5 steps most. So let's use 5 steps. And after that, everything is looking fine, everything looking good. And then you click on update. And after you click on update, and then you just click on start trading. And then now this time just wait for the signal to trigger. So when the signal is triggered, and that should happen on your account. So let's go into your account right here. I put it on demo account, and we go on this one. Okay, let's have a look. Let me send some signal so that you can see it in real time. Let me turn the signal on. This is just a dummy signal. Okay, this is just to show you that the robot is work. So when the signal is triggered, you will see that trigger right here in this command window right here. Just okay, let me send the signal. Okay, so the signal is triggered. like you can see here, the receiving signal is executed and executed successfully in 4 seconds. And then just back to your robot. Here we go. You got the robots working. So this signal will be sent from our side, from the creator side, and for the user side, you just check that one, make sure that it's checked, and make sure that your robot is on. And whenever you want to stop the bot, just click on stop the bot, so that the bot will not placing any trade randomly. Okay, that's pretty it. So the only file that you need is to download the help system to run the bot on your computers. So right now this bot will not running on our side, but it will be execute the trade based on individual computers. So in this case, so the server will not be overloaded and the system will be running smoothly and quickly. So I think that that's pretty it. And the rest of that, you just keep your computer on and make sure that this one on as well. If you turn this one off, it will not be running. So just keep this one on and run it for like couple hours, and to see, you know, how much money you can make and how many signals you will get from the admin signal. That's it for our optimal strategy by admin. Okay, so now let's talk about private webhook, because private webhook is something that you can set up your own specific strategy. If you have any good strategy in your trading, if you have any good technical or technique, you know, in your own trading, you can also set that to an automated trading for you by using Autobot signal. So in order to do that, you needed to go to the trading tool. So the technique and the strategy that you can set up in free will is TradingView. This is one of the best well-known place for you to learn and to try out different strategies. So let's go into TradingView.com right here. You can also click the link down below to create your TradingView if you not yet have an account. Just click the link down below as well. So once you launch the TradingView right here, once you launch the website, just click on chart right here. Just go to chart. Okay, once you go into charts, let me delete that one. Once you go into chart, and you can see that, make sure that the minutes is right. If you want to trade it into 1 minute, just set the candle into 1. Or if you wanted to trade it into 5 minutes, just set that into 5. This is really up to you. And this is the candle, and you can change that too. You can use it Fibonacci candle or line candle or area candle. It's really up to you, but one of the best and well-known uses is candle. So let's use candle in this case, because I wanted to set up resistance and support strategy in an automated trading, you know, by using Autobot trading. Okay, let's I want to set up a resistance on the top. Let's set a resistance on top, maybe right there. So when the price reject from here, I'm gonna place sales. So here, so when you click on your line, you must click on your line first. After click on your line, you will see the clock right here. Just click on the clock with the plus sign. And your alert, you want it once or once per back close? Only one. So it means that when the alerts bring alert, when the candle comes and it ring the alert, then it will ring only one times, and then the alert signal will be closed forever. They will not, you cannot use it again. Just use only once. If you want it once per back close, so it means anytime that the candle bar coming here and close, then it will trigger the signal. So let's see our condition here. We see crossing. Crossing can be any crossing up or crossing down our resistance line. Then it will place, it will send us the alert. So I want to go to the sell here. So to get sell, I want it to be the cross down. I want the price of the candle here come touch this resistance line, then it fall back below that resistance line. Then I will bring the sales right here. So here is the clue here. So remember our private webhook. So go to your private webhook, copy the whole thing, back to your trading views, go to that webhook right here, and you need to paste the whole thing here in your private webhook. That's it. And then you name it and you put it, this one is GBP CHF sell resistant, right? It's a resistance. So after you got that one, this is a very important. The important one is the message that connect to our Autobot. So the message here, let's go to our note. So the message here, we're gonna use this message right here. So go to that one, copy the whole thing, paste that. You need to use this, curly braces, quote, size, quotes, and column, and then you have a quote sell. So I wanted to sell after it's crossed down. Look like it's cross up. So cross up, let's go to cross up. Back. I want to change to be cross up after it break that resistance, and then I want to bring a buy instead. Okay, because I wanted to show you guys just, and then I go to buy right here, buy right here, and I change from that to buy when it's crossed up. It's really customizable in the way you want it, but it's really important is the message here. If you want to send a buy message, you just put buy. If you want to send a sell message, you put sell here, symbol here, and it ticker. This is the pair of that currency. It's very important. You need to put all of this correctly with the comma, and no comma after the digital finish. And this is type. You can trade on binary option or digital, and then you put here. And after that, you just save that. So, one the signal, get triggers. One the signal get triggers crossing up, then it will bring us a buy signals. So that's a pretty simple thing. Okay, let's drag that to top below. Let's update everything, just save that because I want to, we're crossing down. Okay, maybe right here, just back to the same place and save that. So this is, you can set up your trading strategy, once, and then you can, this is like one per back close. So any time that the price crossing up, we will bring the buy trigger right here. So this will link to our bot. So let's turn on our bot, run. In order to run this strategy, you need to turn on your bot. And then this private is connect. So once the signal is alert, it will bring the trading signal triggers into our trading IQ option. So that's very simple. That's very easy. This is just one way that you can using support and resistance. You can also using trend line. Trend line in IQ option, it's very, very effective. You can use trend line to apply any, this is trend line. I will go from the open and the close, and then put in here. I wanted to change these colors to be this color, and you can customize that one. So I want to extend it to the left. Oh no, extend it like my line here is too short. And if you want to extend that, just click on that, and I want to extend it to the right. Go to that one and extend that to extend that to the right. So it will go all the way to the right here. And any time when the price comes to here, I will trigger the alert here. This is trend line, and I'm gonna go like once per bar close. And it's a Great British CHF right here. It's pretty perfect. And here all the your private webhook, you need to put back there. Then copy our code and paste that code here. So this gonna be buy signal. So I'm gonna say that buy. Let's start with GBP CHF buys. Trend line, it's gonna be trend line. Okay, that's perfect. And this is a buy. Let's change our site here, very important. Okay, we got buy signal right here. after it's a break that resistance, remember the one that we created, resistance right here. So now let's finish our trend line first. There we go, buy right here. This is all this correct, everything perfect. Create another one. Okay, let's have a look. We already placed a trade right here. See, after the bot crossing this line, it bring out the buy signals. This technique is very important and it's very successful. You can manually create any trend line and channel line you want, and then you can create a trading trigger, a trading strategy to trade automatically, because sometimes, you know, we human, we miss some good opportunity, and lots of them we miss it. And then the good thing is that you're not gonna miss that when you set up your line like this. So you create one here, resistance, and this one going to be a buy trend line, and this is a buy resistance line. So it's break, and then we bring the signal of buy. So now it's perfect. We got automatically place our trade successfully, and we are successful on this one. And the best thing about this also, you can also set your martingale strategy right here. You can set it if the first thing is wrong, and then go to the second one, the third, and the fourth, and going on to the sixth level. I put it into the sixth level. Actually, you know, with this trend line and support and resistance line, it's pretty accurate. It's pretty, like, I can say like more than 60%. That you can make right prediction by just drawing the line and set up our Autobot, you know, to place that trade for you when the opportunity arrives. For example, right here, I can place another one here, horizontal line. This one I'm gonna put it. It's a sell. Okay, I'm gonna put it into red one. Create an opportunity. You know, everything's perfect. Put here. I'm gonna put that cross down. We're gonna sell around here. Right here, this is sell. That's perfect. Just boom. You know, once this candle is end, it's gonna bring the sales signal for us. Let's wait for that. Okay, that's pretty it. Okay, let's name it. I'm gonna put that GBP CHF sell resistant. Yep. So this is the sell one when it's crossed below that line. Yeah, remember, below the line, you need to use it one per bar close below the line. So when that is end below that line, then it will trigger the sell signal one more time. That's pretty amazing, and you're not gonna miss it. And then you can move on. See, it's bring the sell alert right here. So once you got that sell alert, you got here, boom, sells. Right here, you're not gonna miss any sales opportunity or buys opportunity by set up this trend line and set it to like auto trading. But you need to watch out as well. You know, when you don't want to use it anymore, you need to delete all this alert, or otherwise it will keep on trigger every time it come across to this line. So when you see that the market is changing and the market is moving in a different direction already, just delete all of this and retrace it again. Just draw the lines again and try to set up this strategy and make a trade manually like this, and set that signal to send to our Autobot signal, and then our Autobot signal will place that trade for you immediately. So that's very simple and very easy to use, and I'm looking forward to hear from you. And if you have any questions, so don't forget to comment down below, or you can chat to me via Telegrams in the link down below the video as well. So for now, bye bye.